Welcome back to us pit stopping because I really want to wash and clarify my hair before I dye it. So I thought it would be fun to go back and try the XMONDO Supernova. This is the blonde toning conditioner. It has a shampoo and a mask, which I believe I've done videos on all of them, so I'll link them below. But he also has like a new toning foam and some other things like that. But this is all I have today, and I was looking at my hair and I'm like, you know what? It's just got like quite a bit of yellow tones to it. Along with a lot of other tones, like there's blue and stuff too. But in general, like I said, I just really wanted to do a good clarifying wash. So actually today I'm going to use the Bond Bar. I debated between this and my K18 one, but I'm going to go ahead and go with the Bond Bar clarifying shampoo for whatever reason. It's just been a minute. I want to try it. And because we just bleached bath my hair, which I'll link that video below for you guys in case you haven't seen it or this is your first time here. But yeah, we just did a bleach bath on my hair. And before that, we also bleached my roots, which they're making a comeback. And then we're going to follow up with a new product of his that I haven't tried yet, actually. It's his Hydrating Leave-In Conditioning Mist. It's not even open. A while ago, I bought like 3 of his products and, you know, just one thing after another. I just hadn't gotten to it yet. So I thought this was a perfect time to try this. As far as toning, just know you'll probably get the best results if you were to use like the shampoo and the conditioner. And like I said, they have a mask, like that would give you your ultimate XMONDO hair toning experience with the products. I'm just going to go ahead and use the conditioner today. It is so pigmented. Look at that. A lot of times I've actually added conditioner to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do it like a straight up conditioner. Make sure my hair is, you know, damp or whatever. We're going to go ahead and put it in over here. I'll probably leave it in just a little bit longer than the recommended 5 minutes. But just know if you do things like that, depending on how porous your hair is, yada, 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 you know, it might kind of tint your hair slightly. But, you know, go ahead over that with a clarifying shampoo or something like that. It'll come out. Yeah, it's that purple power in there that's going to like neutralize with the yellow tones in your hair. Purple tones is more meant for yellow and like blue is more meant for like orangey tones and things like that. But yeah, I just wanted to have a chill day, get my hair cleaned up because I was not going to be able to go in and color my hair with how it is right now. Also, keep an eye out because I'm going to be uploading when we did rainbow hair on Ramona. I just haven't gotten finished editing it yet. In my hair dye video where we color my hair, I'll catch you guys maybe up a little bit. If you want, comment below if you want me to kind of get a little bit more personal in that video. If you want to keep it straight color, I understand we're here for color therapy, but we're also here for hair therapy, right? Therapy of all kinds. I'm just here to try to make everybody's day a little bit better in any way I can. So hopefully this does that. Let's go ahead and get to it. I'm super excited. Super excited to just have clean hair and get a reset. I just feel ugh. I'll link all the products below that I used today. And I'll also link any of the mentioned videos. I also have playlists if you want to check them out. So see y'all in just a second. And thank you for being here because this really is just the best part of my whole week. And you're awesome. So thank you. So this is a little bit reflective. It's kind of hard to see. So I'll go ahead and put up the info and stuff and run you through while we put this in my hair. So I love that it's a violet pigment. It gives you a blend of purple and blue that helps you neutralize yellow and orange tones at the same time. Obsessed. And I'm just using gloves because I just have really bad sensory issues. I just can't sometimes. So you don't have to use gloves. It's just a conditioner. Ooh, pretty. All right. It glides through really good as a conditioner. I have pretty thick hair, thicker than it probably looks. I'm going to focus a lot more on the top, but yeah, I want to make sure I do get it throughout my whole head because, like I said, it's a conditioner. Oh, I love how it's just like this beautiful periwinkle. Dang. Nice. I believe I have some of his, one of his other masks left though, so maybe when I rinse this out, I'll slap a little bit of that on too for some extra moisture. My hair is only slightly damp too. It smells really good. But not like super overpowering or anything. This is the fragrance notes. No, my hair does feel really good already. And sometimes, even though they're conditioners and masks, they can be a little drying. Like purple shampoos and stuff. Let me know if there's any other brands that you guys want me to try. I've seen a few I haven't tried pop up. Look at that. Gliding through my hair. I can already tell that's making it feel softer. All right. And it's also got their bond booster to help with visible signs of damage. It has the jojoba oil, supposed to help detangle, hydrate your hair, and of course, neutralize all those unwanted tones in your hair. I got high hopes. Oh, there's a jet going by. Oh, it feels nice. I like it. I didn't rewatch my old videos, and I have really bad, just have really bad cognitive issues and memories, so like I'd have to go back to watch it. But I wanted to kind of review it without looking at my opinions the first time, I guess. Obviously, the condition of my hair would affect things and different things, so I was like, no, if I'm gonna watch it, I'll go watch it like after or something. It's like, move forward, right? Move forward. Look at that. Super pigmented. My hair feels soft, and I think I missed a little bit back there. But it honestly, for as thick as it is, it did like really glide through the hair. I'm obviously really saturating it because I'm hoping for it to have a more dramatic effect. Plus, like I said, I have mobility issues, so I like to do some stuff out of the shower, like apply certain masks and conditioners. Yeah, if you're like a blondie and you got, and you do all your shampooing and conditioning in the shower, then yeah, then you're good to go. You just go ahead and just wash as normal. Like I said, leave it in. This says leave it in like 5 minutes. It'll keep your blondes from being all, too yellow or brassy, things like that. It's just a way to do like a little maintenance on it. Because even if you get like a toner done in the salon, it's not like a permanent thing. So it's just a way to also maintain that in between like services, things like that. But I do my hair vivid colors, so I just thought, hey, why not? Let's do this before we dye my hair. And I wish I could tell you guys what I'm doing and what technique, but I can't. But I think I'll get Ramona's rainbow hair that we did up next, and then I'll put up my hair dye video. So that'll be nice, 2 huge hair color transformations back to back. Fingers crossed. So yeah, if this was your first time here and that sounds like something you want to see, then I hope you subscribe. And I also have a hair transformation playlist if you want to check that out if you're feeling like some hair color. But as far as this goes, I'm super excited. Looks gorgeous. No complaints. Like I said, the smell's not overpowering, which is nice to me because I've just not been, like I said, feeling that great. But I'm going to try this leave-in conditioning mist because I'm someone with my type of hair. I have to do like a leave-in conditioner or something after. And then I also do follow up with the small amount of oil, at least on my ends, to kind of seal everything in. But yeah, I'm like literally going to be dyeing my hair as soon as I possibly can after this. So anyways, so this is its Hydrify Hydrating Leave-In Conditioning Mist with its moisture bind technology. I've been really looking forward to using this. So it says, spray 12 inches away to evenly coat damp hair, brush through, and style as usual. All right, so we'll be using this then. Oh, it's cool. Look at the nozzle. Ooh, it smells good. Look, it's like an actual like spray. Oh. Okay. That can happen. Just wanted to know what we were working with before I rinse this out of my hair. Oh no. Oh, nice. I actually need a new light switch. It's not December anymore. Sorry, snow trees. I'm moving on. Vegan, color safe, hairdresser tested. And that's not going to show up. So like, here's the ingredients and everything. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using once we rinse this out of my hair, which we're at about 5 minutes right now. So that's their recommended time, but I'm actually going to leave it on just a few more minutes. I have left these on just insane amounts of time. I remember I use like blue shampoos, like conditioning masks, because I like purposely want like this like light blue tint to my hair. So remember, leaving this on too long will more than likely result in it tinting your hair. And remember, this isn't a replacement for getting your hair toned in the salon. That is a chemical process, and that is different than using these kinds of products. And we're at 17 minutes, so I probably dyed my hair. Let's go. Okay, so at this point, I was like, yeah, I knew it would color it, but I'm still a little shocked at how much. But we are going to go in with his other type of hair mask now. And you never know what it's going to be like till it's dry, but I'm kicking myself just a little bit. So here's that Boost X mask that we're going to go in with. Now, ideally, you wouldn't want to put a mask right over this if you already can tell it maybe toned your hair too much. The smarter move would be to go back in with clarifying shampoo and just to get, a little bit more of the color out. But what can I say? I'm just going to go ahead and layer more conditioner over it and give it a nice barrier, which is probably going to keep that color in my hair even more. But as far as the mask goes, I love this mask. I've used it a few times before, so I'll link that video below as well. So this is actually a thickening hair mask. It promises stronger looking hair in as little as 30 days with consistent use. It's formulated with their Vita Plump technology. It's going to help your hair stay hydrated and give you some long-term volume and thickness back to your hair. Leave in 5 minutes and rinse. obviously it works very well. I can tell without it being dry that it definitely just knocked those yellow tones right out of the hair. Don't need to leave it on as long as I did. You know, I would go for his recommended time, you know, obviously. And if you're doing this like in the shower, you're obviously going to have a lot more moisture introduced into it than I do when I do it this way. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Especially where it was like pre-lightened before. Like that blonde, you can tell that's just going to be like a white platinum probably. And that was just because that was just a lighter blonde than when we bleached here. So like I said, we did do a bleach bath and pull it through. So that was like a lighter tone. But anyways, let's check out this hydrating mist really quick. 12 inches away to evenly coat hair. All right. Oh yeah. It's definitely like a wide spray. And it's like slightly creamy. It says evenly coat. It smells nice. I love how it's slightly creamy. That's how like my IGK foreign when leave-in conditioner is. That's probably just because I have like thicker hair. I just like how it works with my hair. Here's a little bit more about it. Finish putting this in. They also have Hydrify in a shampoo, a conditioner, a hydrating mask, and a Hydrify smoothing oil, and even a cream. So this is the conditioning mist, but if you want something a little thicker, like I said, there's a cream and all the other Hydrify products. And he does sell some of these in bundles on his website. This is not a heat protectant like my other leave-ins. So keep in mind if you're going to do any heat styling after you do anything, make sure you use something with, you know, some form of protectant in there. I believe even the Olaplex oil is a heat protectant. Wow, I can really tell that this is working on my hair. I would be careful because I'm sure if you overdo it because it is like that, it could probably end up greasy. But I can tell that it worked really well in my hair already. I'm really excited to see how this actually turns out. Wow, look at that. Just, oh my gosh, this feels great. I wish I would have opened this before. I never really know until like my hair is dried and everything, but I honestly, I can just tell. It just changed as soon as I sprayed it on because like right up around my hairline, this was feeling like it kind of might be trouble. A little bit too on the dry side even after that mask, but after spraying this in, everything feels so good. Bam. Wow. Okay. So this helps protect against humidity. So it's got the frizz control. It's supposed to be a lightweight conditioning mist. So it's also supposed to help with detangling as well. It says you can go ahead and style as usual, which I won't be doing that today. I'm honestly going to air dry because like I said, I just need to take it easy as we get ready to actually dye my hair. Just little things are difficult for me. So I do need time to kind of repair and reset and things like that, you know, even after something like a shower or a conditioner. So I will see you guys when it's dry. I'm very, very excited. So let me know what you think and I'll see you guys when this is all dry. So, and yes, so far, super yes to this as well. Like, we're apparently playing a game of will the power go out? It's got an insane storm like out of nowhere. So anyways, but yeah, as you guys can see, this really packs a punch. Since it does such a good job, as you can tell, no need to leave it on longer unless this is the vibe you're going for, which I'm happy with every single product that we use, to be honest with you. If I would have just done one more quick wash, that would have helped me maybe just even out this tone a little bit more because obviously it's going to take to where it was more blonde or more porous. So you can, like I said, just easily rinse it out, clarifying shampoo, whatever. But yeah, obviously it works very, very well. So keep that in mind. But if you have gray hair, blonde hair, anything like that, this is going to just, it's really going to neutralize those tones. Like I was so impressed. Like even up here, it really brought this to like a super kind of ash. It's not yellow at all, you know? And then obviously where it was more blonde, you're getting like this kind of like light silver. Depending on what light you're in, it might look silver, it might look slightly blue, or it might look white. Just like you can see here, like in all the different lighting, whether it's sun or natural light, or just even different light bulbs in my house, you can really tell the color change. And also if my roots had been the same color and everything matched up, then it wouldn't be quite as obvious, you know, if you kind of picture this on its own. But like I said, we're going to be coloring it, so none of that really matters. But obviously this isn't something I would permanently keep this way. It's just all kind of uneven, not making sense. But yeah, products work great. As far as like the leave-in conditioner, everything looks fabulous there. Hair is so soft, so shiny. Look at the insane difference. To me, it's just like night and day looking at them like that side by side. I feel like you can make this last even longer by like, yeah, using a mask. So it's still gonna like tone your hair. It's just not gonna be as strongly pigmented, and that way both can go like a lot longer. This is definitely gonna make everything clean, pop, and beautiful. And like I said, I'm really digging just the overall health of my hair with everything combined. And this conditioning spray, it's like, wow, I don't know. I'm gonna keep using this. I kind of wanted to spray just the tiniest bit on my dry hair, even though it says on damp hair. Ooh, even on my dry hair, it feels soft where I sprayed it. So yeah, I'm happy. My hair is happy. And most importantly, I hope that all of you are happy. So if you enjoyed this video in any way, I hope that you subscribe, keep hanging out, and don't forget my Instagram is also linked below and in my bio. So thank you XMONDO Hair and of course Brad Mondo for creating the whole brand. I mean, these results are just incredible to me. So yeah, also thank you for not messing around when it comes to hair products. So hope to see each and every one of you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Much love. Bye. Have a beautiful day.